Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. We have talked a lot about extinct animals. And here is something to think about. Before those animals became extinct, they lived. So maybe first there were many animals, and then the number of animals slowly went down, decreased, until there were none left. If we look at the world today, do you think there are any animals whose numbers are going down or decreasing? Do we have a special name for those animals? For example, many people love pandas. They think they are so cute. However, there are not many pandas left, right? If we are not careful, maybe pandas will go extinct. Animals like this, where there are only a few left, are called endangered animals. So today, that is what we will talk about. We will talk about endangered animals. Ha! But first I need to test you. Let's see what you remember. Here's a short quiz. Here are your 4 choices. Number 1. An endangered animal is an animal that can no longer be found because they are all dead. Number 2. Animal species with only a few of them alive. Number 3. All the cute animals. Number 4. Animals with wool. Pause the video or go back if you need to. When you're ready, just continue. Okay, the answer is an endangered animal is an animal with only a few of them alive, and if they all die, then it will go from being an endangered animal to being an extinct animal. Let's try to avoid that. A very important question is why? Why do some animals become endangered? Well, do you remember some of the reasons that animals became extinct? Perhaps a lot of the reasons that animals became extinct are the same reasons that animals can become endangered. Animals need food, shelter, water, and clean air. Food is very easy. It's what you eat. Shelter. Shelter is like your home, where you live. Water, everyone knows what water is, right? And clean air. Do you want to breathe smoke all day long? It's not a good idea. Oh no, this word again? Yep. Habitat is where animals live. And unfortunately, humans sometimes destroy animal habitats. Why? Well, maybe we need to grow food. Maybe we need to clear some space for buildings. Maybe we need to cut down some trees to make paper, to make furniture, and so on. And last but not least, maybe sometimes we pollute the environment, and therefore the animals' habitats are destroyed or they are made to be too dirty. So this can cause animals to become endangered. Also, sometimes humans also kill animals for what? Let's see. Maybe their fur and skin. Maybe to experiment with them. Maybe, for entertainment. And also maybe for food. I don't know about you, but I definitely like eating meat every day. Maybe it's not a good habit. So let's look at some animals that are endangered. We have the Asian elephant, the black rhino, the blue whale, Bengal tigers, green turtles, chimpanzees, mountain gorillas, sea lions, snow leopards, and many, many more. Let's watch a video together. In this video, I want you to try to pay attention and see if you can figure out what the word decimated means. Okay, so what do you think the word decimate means? Number 1, to spoil or destroy something. For example, by getting rid of a lot of animals. Number 2, to increase the number of something by a large amount. Number 3, to study the past in order to learn something for the future. Number 4, to protect animal or plant species. Well, in this video, the sentence was, in the past 100 years, populations have already been decimated. Here, population is referring to animal population. And the correct answer is number 1. Decimate means to spoil or destroy something, for example, by getting rid of a lot of animals. Let's do our best to try to save these animals. Now, that's almost enough for one day, but there's one more thing I want you to do if you have time. Let's do some research. What facts can you find about these animals? Search online, make notes, share with your classmates if possible. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope it was interesting. See you next time. Goodbye.